Identify the parts of a right triangle. A right triangle has a 90-degree angle in a corner that form two legs. And across from that 90-degree angle, the side that doesn't touch this 90 at all is called the hypotenuse. And it must always be the longest side. So this question says, which side of the right triangle below is the hypotenuse? Well, if we're told it's a right triangle, we can assume that's the right angle there. And across from it would be your hypotenuse, which makes sense because 13 is the longest length. This is PR. So this says QR, PQ, and PR with the line above it. That means segment PR forms the hypotenuse. This symbol here is an angle, and that is not what it's asking for. A hypotenuse is a side, not an angle. Now we have this one. It says, on the school playground, the swing set is east of the seesaw and south of the sandbox. A diagram of the playground is shown below. Which distance represents the hypotenuse of the right triangle formed by the playground equipment? Well, here we are given the right angle, and again, if you draw an arrow across from it, that is the side that is the hypotenuse. So, the distance from the sandbox to the swing, no, that's a leg. The distance from the seesaw to the sandbox is the hypotenuse. That is true, so we're going to circle that B. And the distance from the swing to the seesaw is another leg. So that's how we know what the hypotenuse is. So let's check on the next one. Oh, that's where I stop.